Just hours and it's already changing the price of silver. By Thursday, you're screwed. This morning, we had the release of economic data that has come straight for the price of silver. We're already seeing the price react. In a short 48 hours, we have major economic data coming straight for silver. Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that silver. Now, look at this. This morning we had from Bureau of Labor Statistics, the state employment and unemployment data. And what we're seeing is strong labor markets. That supports consumer confidence. It supports investment. It brings up the dollar, and that pushes down silver. That's what we're seeing presently. We also this morning, from the Chicago Federal Reserve, we got their Fed survey of economic conditions that looks at manufacturing, it looks at services, agriculture. Again, a strong showing strengthens the dollar and pushes silver prices down. Now, look at what we have in 48 hours. Major data coming out, coming straight at silver. We have payrolls and jobless claims coming. If the data shows tight labor markets, that can boost interest rates. The US dollar is strengthened, and of course that pushes silver down. If we're going the other way, if the employment data is weaker, if it's softening rate outlooks, then that lifts silver. And the consensus is showing 246,000 new claims. This is from Reuters. That's a consensus. So we can imply from that a higher than expected reading would be dollar bearish, and that pushes silver down. This is all, this is really a tight week for silver because we have momentum presently in silver, and we want that momentum to keep going. We want to get to $38, $39, $40 an ounce, but all of this is coming at silver. Look, again, 48 hours, we have final first quarter GDP and the GBT price index coming out. This shows us that if we get upward revisions signaling economic resilience, if we're really having a control over inflation, that's going to boost rates and that's going to weigh down on silver. Or opposite, of course, if we're looking downward or flat, if we're getting dovish sentiment, that could be good for silver. So we really have to look close to this data. We also, 48 hours, we have the Advanced Indicators and Durable Goods report. That's consumer business activity. That's looking at how industry is really looking for metals like silver. How much industry is using silver. So if we have strength in there, that's good for silver. But if those numbers are going down, that's going to push more pressure down on the price of silver. For you and I as stackers, we're always looking at the spot price of silver, following it inch by inch. And if there's anybody staring at silver the past 14 days, it's silver stackers. We've finally gotten momentum. We've had a full 12 months of silver just laying stagnant, $32, $33 an ounce. And now we've got the momentum. This is a tight week for silver. We really need to see that rally. We've got to see silver push through and keep this momentum up. So watch closely as this data comes out because it's coming for our silver price. And get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. It's free, 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest, every month. Click that link, be the next winner on that list, and I'll see you in the next one.